Hey everyone, I am bringing you another fun recipe today. We love salads in our house, and then we also love a great BLT night. So this is mixing the two loves together. I'm bringing you a BLT salad tonight. Stay tuned. Okay, so I'm ready to get started. Our first ingredient that you want to get is like a variety of tomatoes. Pick your favorite ones at the store. Today I am using some vine ripe tomatoes. I have some Roma, and then I have some cherry. Sometimes I can find in the store, if you go to like the specialty stores, you can even find like yellow or orange, so you can like really play around with the tomatoes that you get. We are also going to be using some salt and some pepper. We have red wine vinegar. We also have some buttermilk ranch salad dressing. We have our bacon, of course, for the BLT. Bacon, I usually use 4 to 5 slices. You can play around with that as well, adding a little less or more. And then, of course, we can't forget about our greens. Our lettuce, I also play around with. Sometimes I do arugula with butter lettuce. Today I'm going to be doing spinach with some butter lettuce as well. So it's also nice to like mix up your greens just to add a little bit of excitement to the salad. So stay tuned and we will get this started. My first step is going to be to crisp up my bacon on the stove. Okay, so I've crisped up my bacon on the stove. I'm just going to set it to the side. I have it on a paper towel here so it can absorb a little bit of the excess oil. So I'm going to let that cool off a little bit. And then meanwhile, I've washed all of my tomatoes and I'm just going to start making slices now. So we're basically going to get these slices, and then I'm going to take these, the larger tomatoes, and slice them up and put them on the bottom of my platter. I'm going to save my cherry tomatoes to the very end, and then we're going to sprinkle the cherry tomatoes at the top. Okay. If you haven't had a chance to subscribe, please hit that subscribe button. And then let me know also in the comments below what you've enjoyed, the recipes that you've tried, maybe something that you wouldn't mind me making a video about. So give me a holler on that. I'm just going to get all these tomatoes sliced up, and then I'm going to arrange them on the platter. So there you have it. We've finished our BLT salad and we are ready to dig in. I hope you've enjoyed this one. If you did, give me a like and make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'll see you later. Take care.